This is a problem where the flange is buried too far in the ground. You see it's like 1.25 inches too far down. And what has happened is started to leak around the subfloor down here. There is damage to the subfloor. It's rotted. And we got to raise this higher up to bring it to right here. So this way it'll mate properly with the toilet and it's not going to cause any more grief. See, there is some damage here to the subfloor. We clean that up, show you how it goes. So we made a couple cuts there in that PVC. We're going to try to chip out that old flange. Okay, so we got that flange removed. Clean that 4-inch pipe up on the inside. And we're going to extend a 4x3 closet flange using a short piece of 3-inch pipe and half of a 3-inch coupling glued together, which is going to sit nicely into that 4-inch pipe. The important thing here is that you're going to have a 3-inch hole rather than a 2-inch hole, and that's the most important thing for this application. Alrighty.